Shortly after beauty expert Shana and amateur race car driver Jeremy were married, they traded their downtown condo in for this 2,000 square foot rural home that had plenty of room for Jeremy's second love.
I love all things automotive. When we found this house, it was perfect. I love the garage. If I want to work on the car, I've got the room to do it.
As happy as Jeremy was with his spacious country homestead, after only a year of living here, the honeymoon is definitely over for Shana.
Moving out to the country seemed like a good idea at the time so we could have the space in the yard, but our lives are still in the city. So we end up driving a long ways to work, and then it's even hard to get our friends to come out this far.
And it's not just the distance that doesn't resonate with Shana.
The house is not urban, it's not young, and not what I want. When you first walk into the living room, your eye goes to the stairwell. I cringe when I see that stairwell. It dates the house. It's the worst.
You want to sell a house over a stairwell?
Yeah, I'm just done with it.
But she's not done complaining about it.
The fireplace is dated with the most ugly brass inset. It's just complete blah.
It's not that bad.
After a long drive and a long day at work, it's just depressing to come in and see such a bland kitchen. It's just dated. The cabinets have a disgusting peeling veneer. I hate the countertops. They're the worst.
I gave you a pantry, and I'm working on some kitchen cabinets as we speak.
I'm waiting,
They're almost done.
waiting.
And the layout causes Shana even more grief than the finishings.
Our layout is just terrible for entertaining.
We have so much room to entertain in this house.
Yeah, but it's all chopped up. You've got all these walls that divide the dining room from the kitchen to the living room.
Does anybody need anything to drink?
The kitchen doesn't have a really good place for people to hang out while we're cooking.
Our dining room is so small. It's not even big enough for a full-size table. We can't even fit our friends at it. We have to pull out a card table.
What's wrong with that?
We're not playing cards, we're trying to eat.
Dining room table, card table, everybody fits.
There's no fixing that.
And rounding Shana's distaste for the main floor is the master bedroom.
The master closet is technically a walk-in, but it's very small, so it just ends up being disorganized and a mess.
If you got rid of some clothes and shoes, it'd be fine.
It's like asking someone to chop off an arm.
We're too far out. The to-do list is never gonna be done in this house. I'm just done with it.
I know this house can be updated to have that trendy urban vibe that she's looking for.
I'm not a believer.
You'll see it. You'll believe it.
It's the worst.
Arriving on site are designer Hilary and Realtor David, both eager to address the needs of this conflicted couple. But before either of them can put a plan into action, they'll have to meet up to review Shana and Jeremy's must-haves to stay or sell.
Do you have a paddle?
No, but I'll push you off. And
No,
see
no,
if you
don't
can-
push me. I don't know a paddle. I'll be stuck in
What?
the middle.
Exactly.
Okay, do you want to read our list and find out what we have to do?
All right, here are the must-haves to stay. Update an open kitchen, renovate living and dining room, replace the stairwell, expand the master closet, renovate the master bathroom, designate space for Shana to shoot her videos, relocate laundry, garage organization for Jeremy.
That's huge. I don't even need to read my list. There's no way it can be that bad.
Well, you're gonna read it anyway.
Must-haves to go. Close to downtown. Large open living room, kitchen, dining room area, at least 3 bedrooms, updated master bath, large master bedroom closet, garage big enough to house Jeremy's race car, space where Shana can shoot videos.
So basically, you've got exactly the same list, except it's downtown, and good luck getting a garage to house anything.
After you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What is that?
It's
Miniature
a
little
very,
thing.
very, very, very small dining table.
That's like one of the sets my sister used to play with when she was a little kid.
I know it does.
Okay, so this looks like a master bedroom to me.
Correct.
Isn't it kind of odd that they've got a second floor?
Maybe there's guest quarters on the second floor. I don't know. It looks like there's a bathroom here. And there is. The space is good, you got to admit.
It's an expensive space to have to fix.
I didn't ask you that.
Oh, yay, look at this kitchen.
What?
What, are you kidding me? Look at the floor. Look at these cupboards. You know what this needs? Stick
It's-
of dynamite.
All right, yes, it needs work. I get it.
Hilary and David meet up with Jeremy and Shana to find out what kind of budgets they'll be working with.
What's the budget for the new house?
$325.
That's going to be tough.
If we couldn't find something right downtown, it would have to be the perfect house.
Perfect.
Now, obviously your house needs upgrading. It hasn't been updated at all. You guys haven't done a thing to it.
Very little.
So tell me what my budget is.
You have $50,000.
Sorry.
$50,000 is not going to get you everything that you asked for. In fact, you asked me to change up the laundry, for example. Not happening.
Really?
Not happening. You have an incredible garage. Just the way it is, because that's the way it's going to stay.
Disappointed, but makes sense.
It has to, because honestly, guys, what you need is for me to transform your main floor. That's the key to what you want. And when I'm done, trust me, you're going to love it.
Getting beauty expert Shana to love her dated country home is going to take every ounce of urban style and function Hilary and her team can muster. With that in mind, hammers start swinging, and the country kitchen is tossed in the trash. The obtrusive wall between the kitchen and dining room is destroyed to create the beginning of an open concept floor plan, while in the living room, the aging carpet gets ripped up and the country style trim comes down. And while Hilary's team is clearing out the past at home, all the way downtown, David is banking that the urban style and function he can provide becomes the future for this family.
So you guys wanted to be downtown? Well,
Yeah.
here you go.
Yeah?
I love it.
Definitely the heart of the city, I'll give you that.
At 1,400 square feet, this condominium might be 600 square feet smaller than their current house, but couldn't be more conveniently located, right in the heart of downtown. It features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including a master bathroom, an open concept kitchen and entertaining space, along with a dedicated laundry room, provide Shana the modern function she's craving, while a separate storage unit and indoor parking opportunities just might take care of Jeremy and his favorite toys.
Come on in.
Oh, thank you.
Wow.
Look at the space you get here.
I love that. That'd be perfect for entertaining.
So you flow right from your dining room into the kitchen.
It does have a lot of counter space. A lot
Do you
more
think
than I've
Hilary's
got.
going to give us something better than this? Plastic stuff.
And here you have the master bedroom.
Ooh.
And I like that they put the glass block in, because you get the natural light, but you also get a bit of the privacy.
Yeah, but we lose the view.
I like the way you comment that you're not getting the view, but when we're in there, you're not wowing on the view.
It wasn't a great view in there, but in here,
I see.
I think it would have been a little better.
Here you have his and hers closets.
I like it.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Nice
that
and
works.
spacious.
And here you have the ensuite.
I do like that there's a good amount of counter space.
It's okay, it just needs to be updated.
All right, so we're gonna go look at some other stuff that's outside the condo. And literally steps from your condo, you have storage area.
I've got a lot of equipment. I'm not sure if it's all going to fit in here,
It may be just too much downsizing.
and I'm certainly not getting my race car in there.
This condo is listed at $254, and that is a steal.
The big issue for me comes back to not only having a space to park the car, but more of a space to work on the car. I think realistically, a condo just doesn't work.
But downtown still needs to happen.
Well, it's not gonna be downtown like this, but I'll try and keep you as close as I can.
Okay.
All right.
Gone are the dimly lit days of the past, as brand new recessed lights are installed throughout the newly expanded space to ensure equal efficient lighting throughout. And while things are undoubtedly looking brighter on the home front, almost an hour away, David too is positively beaming, hoping he's found the centrally located space that can flip the switch in Jeremy.
All right, so downtown is right there. Is that close enough for you both?
Yeah, pretty close.
Definitely close enough. We could walk to a lot of places from here.
Fantastic.
At 1,600 square feet, this move-in ready older home might be smaller than theirs, but still manages to offer 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including a master bath. For Shana, the main floor boasts an open concept kitchen and family room, as well as a space for her beauty-based video shoots. Finally, the outside of the house features not only a large yard, but a freestanding garage to house what seems to matter most to Jeremy.
All right, come on in.
Cute.
Isn't this just wonderful? It is move-in ready.
Yeah, turnkey would be nice.
Okay, so you walk in, and here you have your family room, kitchen combination.
Yeah, it has a really good flow, actually.
A little better than the condo we looked at previously. So you're getting better.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate
Yeah.
that. We move from your family room into the kitchen area.
A brand new, fresh kitchen is gonna be a nice change.
So here you have the main bath for upstairs.
It's a great guest bathroom, I think.
Yeah.
But it only gets better.
Good.
Come on. And here you have the master bedroom.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a great size.
Yeah.
You know what else is a good size? The walk-in closet.
It's a little smaller than our current closet.
Is Hilary doing something to your
She's not
closet?
doing anything to our closet.
There you go. And here you have the ensuite.
Oh, that's a good size shower.
It's a great size.
Oh, yeah.
And there's plenty of cubbies for all my products.
Absolutely.
Actually, I like the color of the towel.
This house is listed at $375,000.
Wow.
That's way over budget for us.
That is what it's going to cost to get a turnkey house like this as close to downtown. It's not going to get any cheaper.
I agree.
David has shown us some options, but that's all they are, options.
That just needs too much work.
But you're downtown. And at that price, you can fix it up.
Truth of the matter is, I don't want to move.
I hope he can find us a house downtown that will suit our needs, but I'm just so bummed.
There's no way David can find what we really need downtown. It just doesn't exist.
Having shown them almost every listing in the downtown core and still striking out, David will need to change his approach or risk never reaching Jeremy. So while he regroups, Shana and Jeremy head home to find Hilary in the garage with nothing but bad news.
In the garage?
Listen, we found a leak in the breezeway, which was caused by a leak in the roof. I had to fix it.
This house is just falling apart.
Well, it's not anymore, because the leak's fixed.
At what cost?
At the cost of your stairs. I know you're really disappointed. Any woman who would give up a master bathroom for stairs really wanted those stairs. I get it.
You saw them. You know they're hideous.
I can't do it.
I'm just really tired of this house at this point.
We just can't get this kind of space, this kind of storage, a garage downtown. I mean, Hilary's right about that.
Much closer to town, David is taking a risk by leaving the core in favor of the house that even Jeremy can't find fault with.
Truth is, there is nothing else out there. So I'm hoping this is a sort of happy go-between, where it's closer than your current house is, but it gives you more house than you have.
At 2,000 square feet, this house is exactly the same size as their current one, but is located 10 minutes from the downtown core. It features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, including a master bath. Giving this house a modern edge is an open-concept kitchen and family room combination. Rounding out the added function are a dedicated laundry room and space to shoot Shana's online videos. And perhaps most persuasive of all for Jeremy, an attached 2-car garage.
Come on in.
Wow.
Wow.
I know, it's impressive, isn't it? As soon as you walk in.
These ceilings are awesome.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Okay, so we move into what is your living room, dining room combination.
It does have a good flow.
What do you think so far?
So far, so good. Very open.
Great dining area.
It'd be great for entertaining, especially right open to the deck there.
Pretty convenient.
Right. So, from the dining room into your kitchen.
This is a nice kitchen.
And I think the biggest thing is the connection with the family room.
That is a really cute family room.
It's not a completely open concept, but it's got decent flow, though.
And here you have your 2-car garage.
See, we should have just started with this.
This is why we are here and not
you
downtown,
come
because
for
you
you.
need a garage like this.
I knew you'd pull through.
It wasn't easy, let me tell you. This house is listed at $324,000.
Oh, wow.
Wow. That really hits the mark.
Just below the top end of your budget.
Yeah.
You know, that's what 10 minutes outside of the core does. We're done.
Cool.
Let's go.
Let's go.
With such a tempting option so fresh in their minds, the couple heads home, where at long last they get to tour their own house, now that Hilary's contentious renovations are finally complete.
Hello?
Howdy, howdy.
Excited?
Very excited.
All right, here we go.
Wow.
Gorgeous. This is a kitchen that is designed as a place that you can hang out with all of your friends.
Yeah.
So here is your new dining area. And you can also spread on out to this fantastic area here.
I love
I like the lights.
It'd be great for entertaining.
You have these countertops that continue all the way down. That gives it a very sleek, smooth look.
Yes.
So you have
Oh, wow.
storage in here with the garage door and fantastic sink.
That's awesome.
This is about as urban and edgy as you can get.
Yeah.
Now, you were upset that I couldn't take the wall down completely, Shana.
Right.
The nice thing about what we did is that you still have your eye lines through to the kitchen from here.
Yeah.
It really ties the spaces together now.
The ebony floors, they look
They're
amazing.
beautiful.
Yeah.
I love that.
So this, again, is very young, very urban. You've got that lovely reclaimed wood look on your mantle.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Completely refaced with this beautiful gray slate.
I
Very
like that
cool.
a lot.
And then there's the stairs.
They're stunning.
We took out the turn spindles and put in these lovely straight tubular ones. Changed out the newel post to be square, and then just paint.
It's the perfect update for those stairs.
Well, so we just got one more little room to look at. So let's go
Okay.
upstairs.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Wow.
This gives you everything. I got expert advice on the lighting. The key was that it would be a simple setup, that you don't have to play with and mess around with. You're ready to go.
It's clean and bright. It's great.
Look, Hilary did an incredible job adding value to your house. And I appreciate that because it's going to allow you to buy the house that I think makes more sense. One of the big reasons, location. It gets you closer to your work and it gets you closer to your friends. Plus, it's a great house, along with a great garage that was finished a lot more than the garage you currently have. Then you walk into the house and you've got those incredible cathedral ceilings, beautiful dark hardwood floors, an eat-in kitchen with a family room and great sight lines. 2 access points to an incredible deck right off the kitchen.
The deck was great.
Yeah.
Upstairs, 4 bedrooms, so that you have everything that you need for your future. Plus, the walk-in closet in the master bedroom.
You can't forget that walk-in closet.
Yeah.
Massive. Plus, an even bigger ensuite.
I mean,
Yeah.
the countertops in that ensuite were amazing.
And that is why I think that house makes the most sense. Now, before you make that decision, I have one more listing to show you, and it's yours. That is now the current value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $260,000. With a renovation budget of $50,000, the new estimated value of their home is $330,000. That increases the value of their home by $70,000.
Okay, so decision made?
Decision made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We've decided to love it.
Come on,
I know.
it gets you closer to downtown.
It's closer,
Great
but it's
house.
not right downtown. This really embodies our style and gives us the direction for the rest of the house.
I'm so happy.
Yeah.
That's so great.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure working with you.
We enjoyed it.
It was a pleasure.